Hello everyone, this is our project for the Young Achievers HackMania Hackathon. We have come up with a government forum that acts as a grievance statement platform. Over here, people from specific municipal blocks can post the issues that they face in their day-to-day life concerning the municipal field to their block coordinators. Currently, what happens is that in the municipal system, when people face some issues, they have to personally go and tell the block coordinator that they are facing this issue. For example, let's say that there is a big hole in the road. Now, this road may fall in the path of some specific person's home. It may fall in a very specific locality which is not really accessed by the entire block as a whole. So the people of that locality have to personally go and tell the coordinator, the block coordinator, that they have this problem in the road and that the coordinator should take steps to fix that. Now, what happens in this is that people do not usually come together and tell the coordinator. They themselves are not able to coordinate based on their time and availability to go to the coordinator all at once. Also, there are problems that, let's say that a person wants to report a problem to the block coordinator, but it is late at night. Then he cannot just ring up the coordinator at that time or visit him in order to report his issue. There might be further problems where the block coordinator may be out of town. He may not be accessible. Also, there are issues like, let's say a person goes and reports an issue to the block coordinator, then there is no actual log that states that yes, this issue has been reported by this person, or that if someone else comes and reports the same issue, that he will be able to know that this issue has already been reported. There might also be problems where the block coordinator does not actually write down the issues that are reported to him. In that case, the thing that he might forget that this thing has been reported and he must actually solve that issue. In order to overcome these problems, we have come up with a solution that we built this website where the government would divide the people in specific forums related to their specific block. So for example, let's say I belong to block A, I will be designated a different government forum to my friend who lives in block B. In my government forum, I'll be able to contact my block coordinator, whereas my friend in block B will be able to contact his block coordinator. So the block coordinators will be able to segregate their work and work independently. The presence of a government forum like this also solves the issue of logging. For example, let's say this post has been posted by Akash Roy. So a person of that same block, when he opens this forum, he'll be able to see that this problem has already been reported. So in order to also say that he is facing the same issue, he can just click upvote and the upvote count would increase. So the block coordinators will be able to see that a problem has lots of upvotes, so this thing should be taken care of before problems which have lower upvotes, because it affects more number of people. Block coordinators will also be able to use this website to see all of the issues that have been reported. He'll not forget writing anything down or something. People will also be able to report their issues at odd timings, even when the block coordinator is out of town, or let's say it's late at night, so they cannot really ring up the coordinator or visit him personally. They'll just be able to open this website and write down their problems. This also solves the problem like when the person who is reporting is out of town. So using this website, he'll be able to report this problem wherever he is. So let's see how this forum works. A person can log in into this government forum, and the login details will be sent to the person by the government. The government would register everyone into this website, and they will not be able to register themselves. Like, a new person cannot come and register himself into a block he does not belong to. It will be designated to him by the government. Let's say a person is not logged in, he will not be able to upvote. It will not work. It says that you need to be logged in, so please log in to continue. So let's log in using an email and password. I will type in. Alright, now the user is logged in, so he sees the logout button, and over here he can either upvote a problem or create a new issue. Let's say I'm facing an issue that there is water logging in my area. There is industry. Alright, let me post this issue. So it appears over here in the issue list. Let's say I also want to upvote a problem. Alright, this does not work because I have already upvoted this, so I cannot upvote it more than once. So after stating this issue, let's say we are now in the perspective of the block coordinator. So let me log in as the admin over here. Okay, so the block coordinator can actually see the issues, and he also has the option to mark something as complete. The block coordinator cannot post his problems over here, so there is no create new issue button. Let's say that he reads this issue, he resolves the problem, and he marks it as complete. So it is now marked as complete. Let's say he also marks this as complete. Let's reload the page to check if the changes are persistent, and yes, they are persistent. That once it has been marked complete, it cannot be marked incomplete again. So this is basically our website, and we hope to solve this real world issue using a forum like this. Thank you.